Hello guys, and welcome to your channel. Today I have for you a DIY that is going to be for my living room, and it's going to be a canvas glitter wall art. These canvases are from Michaels, and the total cost was $5 because they had a 75% going on at the time that I purchased them. The first thing that I did was spray paint them because I wanted that to be my base, and remember to spray paint the sides as well. Then we'll be using this color of paint. This is acrylic paint, and guys, I'll go ahead and list all the items that I'm using on this DIY. They will be on the description box below. And the design that I wanted to go for, it'll be only in the middle. We're gonna go ahead and put glitter. So I'm just painting like a little base for my glitter so I know exactly where it's going. And at first I thought this was gonna be showing, but at the end it didn't, and you guys will see what I'm talking about later. And I'm going to go ahead and paint 3 of them in the middle so I know exactly the line where it's gonna be, and just mimic that same line because I want them to be as similar as I can. So Hobby Lobby has this glitter that is like a thicker glitter, but it's much expensive. Then I found this confetti, which is the same glitter for a lot less, only $3.99 versus the other one was $5.99, and it was a lot smaller. I started applying in the middle, you guys, and it's all about how you want to design. I know that I wanted like a thicker layer in the middle, and I wanted to go for that look, so I did that. And just keep watching. What we want to make sure here, you guys, is that we apply enough Mod Podge so that this thick glitter would adhere exactly to the frame or the canvas as much as possible. Then we took the thicker glitter and I went ahead and sprinkled it on the sides, and I want it to be layers, like very thick in the middle, then you have the middle size glitter, and then finally you have the very thin glitter. This one I bought it at Michaels, and it was the best deal. I knew I was gonna use a lot of glitter, so I wanted to find the best deal, and it was at Michaels, and they had this bag. So I'm using this little spoon and just sprinkle it around it, and just be patient and make sure you don't put a lot in one spot because then it'll show. And so we repeat the same process with the other 2 frames. I did the exact same thing that we just did. The only thing that you may want to be aware is that take the first frame as a reference, so you take the exact measurements so they look as even as possible, as I said before. And I have a brand new channel, you guys, so go ahead and subscribe at this point. I'm using this glitter sealer, and the only thing that I don't like, or I didn't like about it in the beginning, is that everything became matte, and I wanted the sparkles, you guys. So after that, then I realized that there was a lot of spotting because when you mix glitter with the Mod Podge, it becomes very thin and it doesn't shine or sparkles as much as when you put the Mod Podge and then I add the glitter on top. So I realized that later, and I wanted to fix the frames. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. They were also not even at all, or not as much as I wanted to. I wanted to bring them as perfect as possible or similar. So I went ahead and applied Mod Podge only on the sides with the medium-sized glitter and then the thinner glitter. And so I did that with the 3 frames, and I used a ruler to know exactly the measurements that I wanted. And so at the end, you guys, I ended up covering up the paint that you guys see here. That's what I told you in the beginning of the video. And at the end, what I did was only shake it up a little bit, and voila, we have our beautiful Z Gallerie-inspired frames. These canvases are so amazing, you guys, and came out better than expected. One of the things that I don't know if you guys can appreciate is that in the middle it is matte, and then you have the sparkles on top. I just think it's super beautiful. It was such a fun DIY to make, and it was so easy and affordable. It can get any better than that. Now, I would love to hear from you. Is this a video that you enjoyed? And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family as well. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.